Hello students, I'm Alexandra. In this video, we are going to practice saying basic English numbers from 1 to 100. The numbers will appear randomly on the screen, and you need to say the number before I do. Let's get started. 37, 2, 13, 79, 39, 58, 33, 86, 41, 82, 50, 71, 60, 43, 100, 27, 91, 44, 12, 66, 21, 6, 64, 45, 11, 81, 16, 4, 18, 48, 57, 31, 87, 69, 3, 20, 36, 80, 88, 90, 73, 99, 1, 19, 26, 17, 95, 52, 5, 56, 42, 15, 51, 63, 49, 25, 34, 93, 77, 65, 94, 29, 46, 55, 22, 40, 85, 74, 75, 67, 35, 78, 7, 92, 53, 97, 28, 32, 14, 38, 8, 9, 54, 98, 24, 72, 68, 59, 47, 61, 30, 83, 76, 62, 23, 89, 96, 84, 70, 10. Well done. Thank you! I hope you did well. Keep practicing and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.